Hi, this is Anthony from Gondor Group. This is our newly customized fully automatic vegetable cleaning line for our customer. First, here is the cover bags. Put the vegetable on it. Then it will enter the bulb cleaning machine. You can see that these two roller devices are used for remove the debris and bugs in the vegetable. In addition, the cleaning machine also equipped with an ozone generator, which can effectively sterilize the vegetable. And here is the water circulation filtration system, which can ensure the cleanness of the circulating water. You can see. And then the vegetable will enter the vibration dryer and air drying. Finally, transport it to the packing line for manual packing. If you have same requirement or other different requirement, you can also contact us. We support customized. Thank you.